video is about removing the ransomware called DeathRansom. This ransomware is from the Chaos family, by the way. My video is only for educational purposes, though. I'm not related to this ransomware and I'm not promoting it. I will just show you the negative impact of this ransomware on the files. So you can now clearly see that before the ransomware attack we are able to open our files without troubles. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities in the system, this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. Typically, this happens because of poor protection of the system against ransomware attacks. Very soon users realize that they just cannot access their data anymore because of this ransomware called DeathRansom. Of course, to make sure that your files are always protected, you need to have a proper security software that can always defend your system from all sorts of ransomware attacks. Unfortunately, very often computers are not properly protected, and so this ransomware may be easily injected into the computer. The ransomware reveals this ransom note. It mentions that the ransom needs to be paid, but we strongly urge you not to pay that ransom. This does not guarantee the file restoration, and if you pay the ransom you may just waste your money, so don't pay it. Remove this ransomware with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the software and start researching your system. Click on the Start Scan button. As you can clearly see, the program is initially in the trial mode. Only quick scan option is available, and then the scanning will begin. Combo Cleaner is provided with anti-ransomware feature, which allows you to add certain folders that would always be protected against ransomware attacks. But this feature does not decrypt files. It only helps to remove this ransomware and to protect the data. You may find a special link in the description for the video where you will get more information on how to recover your files. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations. Consider upgrading to Premium as the best solution to keep your data always protected.